Disproof 10-5.
Husband trying to illegal evict me. It's not just today. You guys were out here. I told you I'm 38. I called you. You were trying to illegal evict, locking the door in the vestibule. That's illegal eviction. You have to cite them under the law. That's the law. It's NJSA 2C 334A. It's harassment. It's illegal eviction. It's reprisal. 42-2, 10-10. It's reprisal. And you guys didn't. No cops showed up. 112 didn't send the cops. And 88 had an attitude and said, I'll send the cops when they're available. When I told them I have a stalker and I'm being harassed. I'm being stalked. Threats to my life.
Okay, just, we've never seen you before?
But I'm telling you.
Okay, this is our first time.
But that's fine. But I'm telling you all the stuff that's been going on. You're supposed to, per Spark, take a
Spark, SPARC. Law enforcement, court employees, DV, Stanger, they all know.
Report and do a report regarding stalking. And you guys didn't. And you're like, okay, well, don't you understand? I mean, this has been going on a long time.
So is this anything to do with management here?
Yes, it is. Because they've been trying to illegal evict me. They hired my 94 employer when I was a victim of DV. And
I said I don't consent.
Since I got here, 9/25/2022, they lied. They discriminated, said there was no room available after they harassed me in the vestibule.
Just like 3
That's
years.
how it started.
You've been here since 2022.
Yeah, that's how it started. The stalker at this hotel didn't realize that. I went out to my car and I figured, let me get a muffin. So I left my phone in my car, went into the lobby, got a muffin, and went back out to my car. When I came back in, the door was unlocked that time. When I came back in, they were holding the buzzer thing. It's a hotel employee. They were locking the door, harassing me. But they didn't know I had just gone out and in, and the door's unlocked. And they've been doing, and I told customer services, I told them, if you guys,
this is back in from
2022, and then the same date, they said no room available. Even though there was, obviously, here I am, 2 years later, they said no rooms available. Sorry, no rooms available. We don't have any rooms. That's discrimination.
So you contacted corporate about the situation?
Not recently, but I did on 9/25/2022. I called them and I told them, your hotel's harassed me, didn't give me a room as advertised, the protector was removed. And if you guys leave me alone and stop messing with me and harassing me, I won't sue you. I could right now. It's L2021 C189 because they know my prior landlord, Redroof, who they had to wipe out the whole thing. So they know them, and as soon as I settled my case against them, this hotel started upping their harassment, 3-8, and harassing me. I mean, harassing.
Okay, so I just want to prove that I told them this, okay, and then I go to the freaking doctor, and they literally took advantage of me. They freaking ignored my call when I called back. They said we can't hear you. Okay, so there's my proof, October 5. Okay, so and a vibrated floor. Yesterday, I only stood for probably about a half an hour to an hour. My fucking left side lower back hurts really bad from 2/4. 9/27/2024, I lost my balance and got hurt really fucking bad. Badly injured, my whole left side again. Okay, couldn't go out for a date, like almost a week. All right. And they're vibrating the floor. And then they harassed me 9/27. And the stalker was here 9/26, 9/27. They've been here since I got here. All right. And then I go to the doctors yesterday and they fucking take advantage of me. And I fucking, just because I don't say anything, because I'm not getting into it. But if you're going to take advantage of me, I'm going to say something. All right. And then I call and she says she can't hear me. Bull fucking shit. Okay, I haven't talked to my son since 5/20/24. After this hotel had mail, they had mail. They still have they have my complaint 10-8 filed against them. Then they retaliate upon receipt of my complaint. It's some authority figure. This isn't fucking funny. It's not fucking right. And this is why I fucking curse. Because there's judicial canon code of conduct, attorney code of conduct, rules of professional conduct, hotel liability. Fucking hotels have to fucking follow. Managers aren't exempt if they fucking know this shit's going on and they don't take action. And they did not take action, obviously. 9/25/2020, 9/22/2022. Okay, so I'm gonna fucking post this because I fucking had it. I don't fucking feel good, okay? And I don't like people fucking lying to me. You're a goddamn business. You're not allowed to lie to fucking customers and take advantage of them and slander their name. And this hotel did that. And I'm too tolerant, okay? When they did that on 9/25/2022, black fucking bitch waving at me laughing as I was distressed talking to a black employee at the front desk. And I'm white. Would they want somebody doing this shit to them?